Human beings have the tendency to feel overly secure in our position at the top of the food chain. We take for granted the fact that we are the most intelligent animals on the planet without ever actually considering what it is that sets us apart. Is it object permanence, the ability to plan, tool usage, or the fact that we build complex social relationships? Welcome to our channel. If you end up enjoying this video, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. Now let's jump right in. Number 5. African grey parrots. The African grey parrot takes the highest avian spot on this list of most intelligent animals. Estimated to be as smart as a 5-year-old human, these parrots not only learn human speech, but they can master an impressively large vocabulary, up to hundreds of words. In addition, African greys understand spatial reasoning, recognize and identify shapes and colors, and can even be taught the relationships between bigger and smaller, different and alike, and over and under. A popular pet, the African grey parrot is found in a domesticated state throughout the world, but they are native to the rainforests of Central Africa. Number 4. Elephants. The very smart elephant can imitate the sounds of other elephants and even some human words. Elephants are frequently referenced for their long memory, but they are also one of the smartest animals. Elephants have a complicated social structure and have been witnessed participating in funeral rituals for departed members of their family, as well as mourning their loss. Elephants also use tools and medicate themselves. They will eat the leaves of certain plants to cure illness and even induce labor. They are also one of the very few animals that perform altruistic acts. Most animals lack the capacity to process the abstract thinking required of such actions. Elephants will sacrifice themselves if they believe that it will allow the rest of the herd or their children to escape to safety. Number 3. Chimpanzees. Chimpanzees are very smart animals and are able to solve many different problems posed to them by human trainers and experimenters. Our closest genetic relative comes in 3rd place on this list of the most intelligent animals. Chimpanzees share 98% of their DNA with humans, and they are natives of sub-Saharan Africa. They are expert tool users, and chimps have been improvising tools from available items in order to make what they need. These great apes also use psychological techniques. Within their own families, they will manipulate others to accomplish certain tasks. One unique fact about chimpanzees is that scientists discover adult members of a family unit teaching their young sign language. The most interesting part of that discovery is that there was no human interaction or prompting whatsoever. The chimps took it upon themselves to teach the children sign language, and they were using it to communicate amongst the group. Number 2. Bottlenose dolphins. Researchers think that the very smart bottlenose dolphins are self-aware, which would indicate highly developed abstract thinking. Many people believe that the bottlenose dolphin is the smartest animal, but it's ranked number 2. How smart is a dolphin? Honestly, it depends. There are over 8 species of dolphin, but only the bottlenose dolphin made the cut here. They have the largest brain size amongst all their relatives, and they are the only dolphin without focused cervical vertebrae, which allows them to make those human-like nodding motions with their heads. Aside from being easily trainable, dolphins are able to recognize themselves in mirrors, notice unfamiliar marks on their body in a reflection, recognize images on television, and have an impressive memory. Dolphins have remembered calls from a mate after a separation of over 20 years. The 2 most impressive reasons for the bottlenose dolphin's high place on this list are truly mind-blowing. They have a language specific to their species that they switch to a common language to communicate when encountering other species of dolphin. And they have even been witnessed cooperating with other species such as humans and fast killer whales to more effectively hunt. Number 1. Orangutans. Orangutans come in the first place here for a very interesting reason. Much like chimpanzees, the orangutan is able to use tools, learn sign language, and have complex social structures that involve rituals. What really sets them apart is the cognitive ability to understand why a certain action is performed. In captivity, an orangutan was taught tool usage and the process of building a simple structure. When he was released in the wild, researchers observed that same orangutan improvising tools from what could be found and then constructing a similar structure to obtain a shelter from the rain. It's no surprise that the orangutan is so smart, considering that it shares over 97% of its DNA with humans. The tool use is of the highest order when compared to other animal species. They can be trained to use a hammer and nails, and orangutans even learn to use a hose to siphon liquids. That covers our list of the top 5 most intelligent animals in the world. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you all in the next video.